Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany Mavis. I'm from Cameroon. Well, as I was growing up, I was brought up in taking care of children. Even my mom, before she passed away, I took care of her and I get to love the cause. Then, taking back home from my country, I studied in the field of health, so I decided to continue in my field. I didn't want to divert to do something else. So I so much love. I have passion for the field. That's why I had to go in for it. My main goal for me to go in for the course, first, I love to take care or to be in the field, to work in the field of health. Whenever I see myself taking care of patient or helping someone that is in need, as far as health is concerned, I'm always happy. I always feel satisfied. That was why I went in for the course. So, because from when I was growing, whenever I see people with white collar, with white jacket, I always say to myself, I love this, and I'll always be in this field. That was why I went in for the course. I found Emirates Education from Facebook, where I went to look for a job. Then I saw job offers saying they need caregiver. It's a certified caregiver, in which I didn't have the certificate. I had to continue searching in order for me to look for a way in which to have an institution that offered the course. Then I got to a page on the website that I saw the school, Emirates Education Centre, that they offered the course. From there, I got their contact and I contacted them. I learned a lot from Emirates Education Centre. I learned so many things. First thing I learned was my ability, my capability. It was brought out. They taught me how to use my capability, because there were things I didn't know I could do, but I discovered them there. And I also learned a lot things I didn't know before. I learned it there. Like in the course of caregiver, I was taught how to take care of patients. I was taught how to be nice to people. I was taught on how important it is to be educated from the same school, Emirates Education Centre. Very lovely staffs. They are very lovely, very kind. They make sure you understand everything you need to know, and they make sure you go in for what you want. They don't force you, and when you're learning, you have a good learning environment. And they are very friendly, very lovely. They help you in one way or the other, in which any way they see that you need help, they give you. That was the first thing I loved from them, because they helped me out a lot. I had so many things I didn't know, but I got to discover it when I was with them. Alright, if I will ask a question, if I can refer somebody to Emirates Education Centre, I will say it 100% sure that it's a place to learn. It's a place to be, because when you go there, they will bring out your zeal in you. They will make you know what you've been lacking, what you need to know there, because the teaching there is manual. The teaching there is good. They make you understand everything you need to know. It's a place to be. I'm calling out my sisters and my brothers that are both in Dubai and out of Dubai, that needs to go further in their field, and go further in studies, and they're looking for where can I go to study. I'm calling you to come to Emirates Education Centre. Just go on Facebook and dial the name Emirates Education Centre. You get their contacts to get in touch with all the staff. Anybody there, they'll welcome you and they will treat you very well. Come and visit Emirates Education Centre, and you have a story to tell.